Hello children, welcome back to grade 8 second English class. Today we are going to read a poem, Television as God. You know that as of today television is playing an important role in our lives. Even in this lockdown period, you people are all getting entertained by television. In last 20-30 years back, we had only one channel, that is Doordarshan, which was telecasting only for 1 or 2 hours program. But now we have n number of channels. According to our taste, we can watch whatever program we want. For children there are special channels, for elders there are special, for men there are special channels, for women there are special channels. Yeah, like that television has become a very important aspect in our life. Now I am going to read a poem on television. In America, television is a special god with its priests and priestesses. No one has time for conversation or for each other. Television works in the remote crania of every high class pleasure. And the daisies by my apartment window, tall yellow as the fingers of the sun, why are they so sad from neglect? They have perhaps lost the competition. Television has trapped everyone in its shrine. And the mothers wonder why the kids are doing poorly in school and the grammar is as good as chimpanzees. And of course, television is a special god, and gods have their sacred abode in the hearts of their humble servants. And television is a god that speaks and smiles and acts, and emotions are fortified as attached to iron cloths, and the truth of the world is accessed through the superficial worlds of the interpreters. This poem is written by Tijan M. Salaha. This is a poem which shows the good and bad qualities of a television. See, nowadays we are becoming completely addicted to televisions and mobile phones. See, we are more concerned about the TV serials, TV programs, everything, but we are least concerned about what are the happenings around us. So here the poet want to convey a message that we are completely getting addicted to television. We are treating it as the only god which is enabling us a lot of entertainment, knowledge, everything. Apart from giving knowledge, entertainment, there are many negative aspects where a TV can show on us. So we can lose our view. We become very numb. Okay, we become very lazy sitting at a place. We don't do any physical activities. Yeah, even nowadays we are becoming very lazy. Even we are performing all the rituals, programs, everything by seeing TV. So the poet requests not to become so lazy or not to become numb. He wants to become. We want us to become very active, not to get addicted by the TV. I just want you to know the meanings of crania, shrine, fortified, accessed, superficial, and interpreters. These are the very important words in this poem, which makes us understand what this poem is. Okay, apart from nurturing our knowledge, apart from giving us knowledge, entertainment, everything, I want you to please write down the negative aspects of a television. See, like we can know the good aspects of television is we can get a knowledge sitting at a place. We can have a view of the whole world in a small box. And do you know that TV is also called a idiot box? I want you to please find out who is the inventor of TV. Okay, and the negative aspects of a TV in your own words. and let us meet again tomorrow with another interesting lesson. Thank you.